Hello, this is Tom from Luxbar. Today I will show you how to install the drain pump from our company. When you receive the drain pump, you will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. This is the air hose ventilation. This is the drain pump. This is the check valve. This is the air button and also the air hose for the air button. So when you assemble it, you're gonna, this is the water inlet right here. Make sure seal inside before you install, and also check for the arrow of the drain pump. So water inlet going through right here, follow the arrow. Let me turn this in real quick. And then this is the check valve, so we can connect this to this outlet right here. So water going here, going through the drain pump, which is the arrow right here, and then going through the check valve and out this way. When you assemble together, this air hose and the check valve needs to be in the upward position, and the motor, the drain pump, will be in horizontal. So this is how you can install into the chairs like this. Make sure these two upward. And now go into the chairs. You will have some of the chairs will have P-trap, or some of the chairs just have elbow. So we're gonna put the whole things connect together to the existing P-trap or the existing elbow. Always make sure this upward, and then this check valves upward, and this horizontal. After you finish connecting together, and then you're gonna run the air pipe, the ventilation air pipe. You maybe can drill a hole onto the base to push this through, and always make sure that you don't create a loop over here, so it traps water and it's losing the ventilation function. Make sure it's straight. If the water pump up right here, it always can go back down. If you need it longer, you can maybe buy some wire hose to connect together and go back to the chairs. As long as the top of this has to be higher than the water surface inside of the pedicure chairs.
Power.
Okay. With the air button, you may have to drill a hole, which is 1.5 inches in the front of the chair, somewhere that you feel comfortable and it doesn't get anything behind it. And then you start drilling a hole somewhere just like this, and install the air button this way. Take it off and put this through the holes you already drilled and tie it back. The air hose will be connected to this, just like this. Let's go all the way down to the air switch down here inside of the power box that you already have. So always check that if you have the switch for the extra switch, air switch. And then the power, you will connect the power to the outlet that controlled by this switch. Okay, when this switch on off, this will activate the switch inside of the box, and it will be turn on and off the power for the outlet.